Here we are in the kitchen, and I just had an idea earlier today, which I think is absolutely brilliant. I want to put a different air conditioner in here because this air conditioner is too loud. But I use this one because it's the only one that's of a higher capacity that fits in the window, because we have a vertical limitation of only 15 inches. And a lot of machines are 17. Now what I can do is I can take this out, right, because this comes off the cleaning. I can take this out and I can get 17, or at least I used to be able to take it out. Am I not understanding how this works? Jeez, what the heck? If it wasn't filming, it probably would come right out. There it goes. So that comes out, and now I have 17. But then my problem was, well now what am I going to do? Because if I put the conditioner in, what's going to hold it in place? And so I'm thinking I got to build a whole elaborate frame and all this stuff. And then I was sitting here making breakfast this morning out of nowhere. I wasn't even thinking about this. And I said to myself, duh. It's so simple. It is so simple. So then all I have to do, because if that's probably 15 right there. The 17 is probably going to be like that. And I bet one of those little strips, those foam strips up at the top, would probably make a perfect seal. So that's it. The problem is solved, at least in theory. You know, we'll see if it's solved in practice, but I'm pretty sure that it will be, because that makes good sense to me. And I think I'm going to play with this. I might go ahead and play with this off video, because it's going to take me some time to get this in, or it'll go in perfectly fine. Nah, that's not even right. I'll play with that off video, but that's that. It makes sense, and I think it's going to work.